Hello, student. Good morning. Am I audible to you? Is my voice audible to you, student? Hello, good morning. So, what we have done in last lab, can anyone tell me? Bhargav, what we have done in last lab? Checkbox and radio button practical. Okay. Today we will do write a ASP code to provide require field validation and control field validation. Require field validation and control field validation. Today we will do this practical. Write a ASP.NET code to provide require field validation and control field validation. Practical number 28. We will do practical number 20. Require field validation and then custom field validation. 27 was done. Okay. So today we will do 28th practical. So today we will do 28th practical. Write a ASP code to provide require field validation and control field validation. Require field validation and control field validation. Practical number 28. File open website 28 default.aspx. So anybody is left still giving the exam number two? Anyone is left? All have given the exam. So Bhargav, how was your exam of .NET? Okay. Which answer you need? You tell me question, I will give you answer. MCQ answer you need. Marks, you got the marks, Siddharth, right? You got the marks. So which question you don't know, you can ask me, I will give you the answer. Which question, for which question you have query, you can tell me, I will give you the answer. ઓનલાઈન હતું એટલે વેરીફાઈ તો ઓટોમેટિક થઈ જાય, સિસ્ટમ જ વેરીફાઈ કરી લે. છતાં આન્સર જોતા હોય તો હું વાત કરી જોઈશ સુમિત સર ને. સુમિત સર આપશે. સુમિત સર ને કહી જોઈશ. સુમિત સર નો પોષણ હતો એટલે ક્વેશ્ચન બી એને જ બનાવ્યા હતા. માર્ક્સ તો મળી ગયા છે ને બધાને. યુ ઓલ ગોટ ધી માર્ક્સ. ઓકે. So we will start with validation. What is validation? Require field validation and control field validation. Can anyone tell me what is validation? Yes, Bhargav, you are correct. Perfect answer. When user gives input, it need to be checked first before processing it. So it is known as validation. Very good. So here we need to pass two validation proper. Write ASP code to provide require field validation and control field validation. Two require field validation and control field validation. Here two option we have to do require field validation and control. Require field means that field is required. That field is necessary. It is known as require field validation. And control field validation means custom field. You need to make yourself something whichever for which field you need to do rules. For example, email at the rate we are giving, so it is known as custom field validation. So here first we have taken username, then username we have taken, then email id, password and confirm password. So in user id it is required field, so please enter the username, so it is required field validation. Then email, please enter the email, valid email, so it is required field validation. Confirm password, password does not match, this is new validation, that is password match validation, that is compare validation. Password and confirm password we need to compare, so it is known as compare validation. Username and email id should be required field validation. Now, custom validation, what we have done in custom validation? In custom validation, we have given email. Control field validation. Sorry, control field validation, what we have done? In control field validation, we have given the email. Email, we need to control that box, email box. So, how to control that email box? So, in email box, we have given validation such as at the rate. If you don't write at the rate, it will not move further. It will not accept, it will not accept your query, so it will not accept what you have written in the text box. So in that email id we have given, so in that email id we have given at the rate, till at the rate valid email will not be considered. Understood? Both understood what is control validation and what is require field validation? બે સમજાઈ ગયું? Anyone is having any doubt what is validation? Bhargav, clear what is control field validation and custom require field validator? Okay. So here we will start. Is my screen visible to you? Is the screen visible to you? So here username is there. We will not give username, then we will submit. Then you give required field validation. Please enter username. So you need to enter username. Then email ID. If I will give email ID ASD, only I will give email ID, then it will give you error. Please enter valid email ID. So ASD at the rate gmail.com. If gmail.com won't be there, it will give you error. It is not an email ID, valid email ID. This is valid email ID. Now you can submit it. Again, it is not valid email ID. Two dot is there. Now single dot is there. Now it is valid email ID. Now QWE password does not match. If you give password does not match. So both you need to give QWE. Now it has entered. The registration page has been entered. So this was known as require field validator and control field validation. So email ID we have control using at the rate Gmail, at the rate Gmail. So this is known as control field validation. You can control any field, password, confirm password, email, username, any field you can control. In username also you can control the digit should not be there. Here right now I think so we have not given digit should not be there. Only username. See here we have not given. Only alphabets would be available. Only alphabet should be there. In username, only alphabet should be there. So this is known as field validator. Require that is known as custom field validator. Custom field, control field validator. So you are controlling that field. It is known as control field validator. Understood? So practical number 27 understood. 28. Everyone has understood 28 practical. Everyone has understood practical number 28. Yes, Bhargav Siddhant. Practical number 28 समझाई गयो. Kuldeep understood. Harmeet, Karan, Joshi. So now we will go with practical number 29. Please start doing practical number 29. Please start doing practical number 29. Write a ASP code to provide range validator and custom field validator. Practical number 29. Range validator and custom field validator. You need to do by yourself. Write ASP code to provide range validator, validation and control field, custom field validation. Similar, this way only you need to write. Similar to this only you need to write. So please do the programming. First you try to do the programming. Afterwards I will explain you. Two validation is there here this time. Range validator. So you need to continue range in mobile number or something. You need to give the range or custom field validator. Two type of validation control is there. So you are doing practical number 29. Write ASP code to provide range validator and custom field validator, right? Stop this file, open website 29. Range validation and custom field validator. Custom field validator. So I will show you practical number 29. Okay. Everyone has completed 28. Anyone is left doing 28 practical? Student, practical number 28 has been completed. Practical number 28 has been completed. Now 29 we will do. Anyone has completed 29 practical? Bhargav. So what is practical number 29? Practical number 29 is write ASP code to provide range validator and custom field validator. So range validator and custom field validator we need to write. So this is range validator. What is range validator? Enter value between 20 to 100. So it is known as range validator. We need to enter the value between 20, 100 to 200. So it will create range. It is known as range validator. So enter the value between 100. So if you will write 11, it will not take 100. Please enter the value between 100 to 200. So 101. So it will go. If you will enter any value between 100 to 200, it will go. Otherwise, it will remain. Otherwise, error will be there. It is known as range validator. What it is known as range validator. Now, custom field validator, custom field validator. Enter the length between 6 to 12. So here, length between 6 to 12 we need to enter. Here, length between 6 to 12 we need to enter. So if I will enter, it will there. Value cannot be less than 6 and greater than 12. So 7. This is known as range validator. 10. Value cannot be less than 6 or greater than 12 character. Value cannot be less than 6 or greater than 12 character. 28, 29 both. 28, 29 both you need to do. First of all, complete 28. I have explained you 28 and 29 both. So try to complete 28 practical first of all. I have sent you the practical. You can do it in your way also. On different way, if you need to do, you can do it. In different way, if you need to do, you can do it. In different way, if you need to do, you can do it. Class 3 practical Sumit sir will take. So here we have ended our practical session. All practical has been completed 28 and 29. Both also completed. I have uploaded also practical number 28. You can, even if you need to do by yourself, you can do 28 or 29 by yourself, doing different things, different value. By keeping different value, you can do practical number 28 or 29. It will also work for me. You can do by your own self also, differently. Bhargav, you can do differently if you want to do the practical. If you want to do practical differently, you can do it different. Okay. Is lab manual prepared by you? It will be after, I think so, before mid-sem. Submission will be, I think so, before mid-sem. So practical number 28 29 is clear, student? Anyone is having any doubt in practical number 28 and 29? It is clear, right? Kuldeep, Karan, Mihir, Yogesh, Soham. Any doubt, student, anywhere? Om, Siddhant, Yogesh, Faizan, Harmit, Arshal. So practical session we have completed over here. 29 old 29 practical we have completed. So 30, 31 and 32 Sumit sir will take. 30, 31 and 32 practical Sumit sir will do. Okay. Bhargav, practical manual has been completed. Lab manual has been made by you. Bhargav, you have completed lab manual. It is remaining. Okay. Hope so. Everyone has completed 28 and 29 practical. 28 practical completed. Completed student, practical number 2010-29. Yes, student, completed. So you can write your enrollment number and name after completing the practical. Write your enrollment number, name, and you can leave the meeting. Harmeet and Sohan, please leave the meeting. Harmeet and Soham, please leave the meeting. Soham, Soham, please write your enrollment number, name, and you can leave the meeting. Soham Joshi. Soham, please write your enrollment number, name, and you can leave the meeting.